Foothill Naka Coordinations Committee na Indefinite Blockade Kahili Tangkhul Naka Foothill Organization na kagatom Pongshokair. Kadamnaw bingwi mental health wuivang Supreme Court na nationwide guidelines mishokair. Lake Yangator, aja Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Ringyaophi Ningshen ina pami dalei. Pau ping may saina nangurumsa. Nakalay hang ngakta Foothills Naka Coordinations Committee FNCC na Indefinite Blockade Kahili Tangkhul Naka Foothills Organization DNFO na lagagatom Pongshokair. Tarik magada tharuk tang DNFO Executive Council kazi pamlaka FNCC with Democratic Agitations Chile kadomra kaji tuitak kuyeji. Blockade ji jingri kahai ka naka naubingwe Ningshen kahai jithaida kasana. FNCC na thanda blockade kahai ji maleilak eina naka ngalei tiger or German road kaho project li mikhavai kugi grouping with suspensions of operations as the block camps naka abamne kahai li mikhavai pobilui kala drug trafficking li mikhavai ngawauda kasada kleina naka ngalei li leiha kala demographic ngaje khawai kasa destabilize sa khawai kasale khoka sada ngasung khawai organization jina kathong haira gachi ID pauli sampanga direct mugada phanga thang FNCC na hithada third commission ka gacha naka kapan leiha foothill pamli indefinite band ka haiji kuge expansionist force hui otsakli ngahan ka kana ban sada khalei naka nauping na kaya kashi cultural affinity khalei jingri eina pan rumda raga hai zomigala mar lungshai mizo communities li khangasung maning mana kaji committee jina press chan pau mishoka kadam nawi mental health wuivang khamataya phaikar khuimida Supreme Court na worship bingli nationwide guidelines mishokaira. Educational institutions saikorana uniform mental health policy shurphulungra kaji hanghaira. Katamnaw bingwi safety mental health wuivang sotang Supreme Court na ban India guidelines thrada phanga mishoka. Educational institutions saikorana uniform mental health policy shurphulungra kalaji unmet draft guidelines Manodarband Initiative la National Suicide Prevention Strategy li ngasunra kaji hanga. Policy jikum kajida review sarakala institutional website ina notice board li yarina mathalak ina juthai mira kaji hanga. Kadam now shaka kada khalei institutions being qualified counselors, psychologists maningaka, child and adolescent mental health training khalei, social workers, Teo makeup the aka high palungra. Teo kamay institutions being professionals being formal referral kangashik lay palungra. Institutions saikorana student to counselor ratio chalak eina high palungra. Teo kamay katam now batch li maleilak eina porekha la academic transition atam support mikhavai dedicated mentors maningaka counselors high palungra kachila hanga. Coaching kala educational institutions pingli hitata jizimi haira kacha academic performance athishurda batch kakhai masa phalong mara yari mangali kakhyak kala katamnaw akhawe ka shapli langmita academic target khami hi masa khawai hanghaira mental health services hospital kala suicide prevention helplines lingalangda refer sa khawai institutions being written protocols le phulungra helpline number pingji Delhi Manaskala National Service Kadei Zangda hostels classroom common areas kala websites li mathalak ina chithei phulungra residential institutions saikorana tamper proof ceiling fence maningaka ngarai kacha safety device sang phulungra shimdung balconies kala rigs kachui habamle access restrict sa phulungra kachi hanga Jaipur, Kota, Shigar, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Kala, Mumbai, Katha, coaching hub pingna mental health protections maling may implement sure pulungra kachila hanghaira. Teaching kala non-teaching staff saiguru certified mental health professionals na kantakasa mandatory training kum khali tiang makeup ta khanishi jang pulungra. training jili psychological first aid warning signs kamachut self harmly ngahan ka referral procedures hikatha hi chang phalungra sexual harassment ragging kala grievances kate report kasala address sakhwai system mathada hai phalungra complaint ngalangda yang sangkhawai kala psychological support mikhavai internal committees sem phalungra complaint maningaka whistleblowers li retaliatory actions kakhwili zero tolerance maintain sarakaji hanghaira Supreme Court na guidelines mika hai India le khalei educational institutions saikor public kala private worshipping colleges universities training centers coaching institutions residential academies kala hostel affiliations maga haila saikor wuivang na karot china kahang guidelines chi katam now pingwi mental health concernedly yang sangda khalei national task force ling sunda khamina kala guidelines china interim protective framework sada leisara Tribal Youth Council Manipur TYCM General Headquarters we Mingin Ping President Momo Tantangka Nathanda Manipur Tribal Affairs and Hills Department with Director Lik Rajan Kasa Sampangaira Kazipchi Tarik Magada Pangatang Directorate Office li pam the tribal communities li sajada khalei maram ngadatai da ngasanachi council we mi ping jina directorate li mi khavat new chekon tribal market renovation takar kasa all ambulance Imphali girls hostel li yangasang maram jang da issue ngadatai da thakta yang khami takar kasa hangairachi Tribal nauping na ngapang da kale maram ping wuivang atam chata practical solutions khura khawai ngasan haira da hanga Tribal community ping wuipha khawai wuivang khangasan kala khangshik leibara da hanghaira kachi IT Pauli sampanga Imphal Central Jail li ngarer da kale Myanmar kugi nauping wuivang kugi Organization for Human Rights kohur na National Human Rights Commissions RC kala Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Phalali ngakaw haira Myanmar Nationals kugi ethnicity mi hangthru kada Imphal Central Jail li haidale yaji athumi ngachai li khani wi sentence ku phailala jail li zangdale gaji hangda organizations china constitutional kala humanitarian ninga krik phongsho haira NHRC Chairperson Justice V Ramashu Permanent kala governor li maram hiwivang memorandum misangda kohur nakahang shokta kaleji article 21 right to life and personal liberty kala international human rights convention li matung makan haira Indian cookie under trials pingli volatile zone to eina safe sakame cookie majority district li khuiba khawai maya khami thada Myanmar cookie detainees pingli la Chikatha nga khami mikhavai kohorna pohaira Didini pingji foreign nationals labai kha athom Manipur guki now pingina cultural linguistic familial ties leyeda kohorna hangsang athumui nationality li yanglaga relocate masa khangsak ji discriminatory treatment nga sayeda organization jina hangsang sentence ko phaira ka ji khani jili thakta jiho khami pohaira Myanmar cookie under trials pingli safe sakamai cookie majority district li khuiba khawai pohaira kala discriminatory detentions malai khawai governmental inquiries le khawai kohorna pohaira Meitei or Meitei nauping scheduled tribes ST list li jang sakwai Meitei tribe union MMTU na nationwide campaign zatale campaign ji national level rashungda political kala religious kathana ping la India with scheduled tribes communities saikorali rashung sakwai sarakaji union jina hanga MMTU na kahang demand ji list li kathar sang mikhavai maningla community ji with status restore sami mikhavai ka bonaji atumi status ji 1950s how ka phok atam ni shimit mi hawa da union jina claim sai Midday nauping ST list li mazang kami China community ji with constitutional safeguard kala political representation li sagazile yada union China claim sai Institutional outreach took mikhavai kala India we armed force ping machun sam ka phangli achon khawai da khalemina khami legal kagatom scheme Veer Barivar Sahayata Yojana 2025 Hapokairam. Scheme G National Legal Service Authority NALSA Senior Supreme Court Judge Justice Suryakant Nanda Kupthang launch Sayam. Nationwide scheme Veer Barivar Sahayata Yojana 2025 hina Indian Shibai Gala veterans in a Shimkur Bingli free legal assistance Miki Kachina. Scheme G Srinagarli Tishat Mida NALSA with Executive Chairman Justice Kant Nakahang Initiative Hi Ngalei Hui Leiret Ngak Kami Bingli Judiciary with Commitment Kamina. Scheme G Srinagarli Tishat Mida NALSA with Executive Chairman Justice Kant Nakahang Initiative Hi Ngalei Hui Leiret Nga Kami Bingli Judiciary with Commitment Kamina. Nga Pei Gachang India we Hang Pangada Gagatuma Chief Justice Ngapam Kuyugida Khalei Justice Kant na Scheme G Constitutional Duty Fulfill Kasana da Hang. Kala Judiciary Aina Uniformed Force Nganai Make Ngasak Pekar Ngasayaji. Armed Force Li Gazang Ping Atung Otngrut Kapam Otpam Wuivang Aina Atum Khalata Litigations Mava Ngarer Kabai Layagaji Justice Kant Nahangda Schemes Veer Barivar Sahayada Yojana 2025 Chiwazingli Army Gala Paramilitary Personnel Pingli Legal Kangachon Advice Gala Gagadom Mira Dahanga. Central Shorkar Ot Kasana Ping Kum Khali Zimiksho Hang Thurukada Shudi Kuipayagaji Personal Public Grievance and Pension to Minister Nahang Haira. Zimiksho Tumra earned leave, Zimiksho Maka half pay leave, casual leave Chishat Kala restricted holidays, Zimiksho Kani Zangda Kachichawi Otwivang Zimiksho Hang Thurukada leave Kuipayagaji Hi Hang Hairam. Maram hi Rajya Sabali Union Ministers of State for Ministry of Personal Public Grievance and Pension Jidendra Singhna Kahangna. Hi ayin katermaning mana Central Civil Service Leave Rule 1972 Athishurda Kasara Avavali Yang Kasang Wuivang Lazangda any personal reason Wuivang leave Kuipayagaji Hanga. 1972 rules Chiwathishurda leave kayakha Shudi khalei eina Huinar Payagaji Hanga. Bihar Electoral Rolls Revised Kasa Election Commission Twi Dwidakli Kangasung Fli Supreme Court na aje nganami gidale. Poll bound Biharli Electoral Roll we Special Intensive Revision SIR Kwikaga Election Commissions we Dwidak Chili Challenge Kasa Pli ngatatayda aje hortang Supreme Court na yang sangra. Maramji Justice Suryakant Kala Joy Malya Bhakchina Bench na yangmichingda hanga. Isi na Biharli Electoral Rolls SIR Kwikagaji Elections Term Mikhavai Vote Masang Kangayi Pingle Electoral Rolls Wena Kwikashok na the claim sai. Poll panel jina kahang exercise chile major political parties saikorala zanga kala eligible voters Pingle Vashung Kavai both level agent lak akadang khai langda shijina da hanga. Itum na thaibai isi eina jize khamyate shurda SIR wuivang documents thrada aka mayaya. Khajili Aadhaar, voter ID, ration card hi mazang tuwa. Voter sangran pingli manotha khawai SIR jili document kathumji Aadhaar, voter ID, ration card jizang sa khawai Supreme Court nala suggest sa kahaina. Isi we ara hili opposition parties analyst kala activists pingna mamaya khangai thra khalei kahaina. Special Intensive Revision kasawi atam kala mong yanglaga rural voters pingli disenfranchised sa khawai kala athumni vote manam nga sa khawai kasana gaji ninga krikle. Kaja rural apamli opposition li mathalak aina kagatom kachunga lehauda jili ningrin salaga rural voters tara khali khushok khawai kasana gaji he ning khamong ninga krikleya. Biharli Electoral Roll Special Intensive Revision kasali makhamya phongshokta Indian Rejum nauna maning mana gaji citizenship we Maramli Twidak, Takhavai, Election Commissions, Village Jurisdictions, Malay Manada, former Law Ministers MP Kapil Sibal Nala Hanga Haile. Bengaluru Rungmikhavai, India International Travel Mart IITM 2025 Arunachal Pradesh na Best Adventure Tourism Destination Award Sampangairam. Indian tourism kala travel industry li khamataya machut samkapanghi Arunachal Pradesh we khangacha timlonwi khamatha kala stage jina for adventure tourism li mangashong muivada khalei la sustainability aina cultural khangasun li phaikar kakhui ngasaya award chi mikashok angranangi chili khamataya industry kathana pingala Arunachal Pradesh we minginin ping wajangta Indian tourism industry li state Chewy influence Matai ka sang chitayam. Majut hina India with adventure tourism Pluramli Arunachal Pradesh with potential kahaka khalei chitaya. Shaka Tumrata Kamade Duran Cup Shillong we Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium ni Guptang Ngariao Pokaira. Meghalaya li Kangariao Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangmana officially inaugurate Samia. Shillong li Rungkami tournament chili Group E Ngariao local now pingwe. Ning Jangmei Kachi Shillong Lajong FC ina Malaysian Armed Force ADM FA ngataka. Itum na thay by Duran Cup tournament Shillong li Rungkami hina ngaronda kakani ngasaya. Match Mahao Pokrang Laka Chief Minister Sangma ina Sports Minister kala dignitaries pingna Kangariao na pingle sampang laka Group E fixtures chi launch Samia. Duran Cup with Group E match Saigoro quarter finals kala semi-finals sang da Shillong na makok mira. Shillong Lajong FC na Malaysian Armed Force li langkai tharuk aina yuhair. Dadluida achuwi kamataya pauping. Foothill Naka Coordinations Committee na indefinite blockade kahaili Tangkhul Naka Foothill Organization na kagatom pongshokhair. Kadam now being with mental health wuivang Supreme Court na nationwide guidelines mishokhair. Achu pao hiling ajang haira pao nganada kain thum saikorali Ringyaophi kala khamhai se mikshong saserana.